Hello, welcome back everyone. We're up to our last lesson with the learning at home with iPad. We're looking at slow motion. So I'm going right down close to the bottom of my workbook and I'm going to look at how we can use the slow motion. So I'm going to go to my camera and you can see I've got a water balloon. And down the side, on the right-hand side of my page, at the moment it's on photo. Oh, I could use a car too. That'd be pretty cool. Down the right-hand side, you can see I've got it on photo. Now I need to flick it up above video where it says slow-mo. And when I press the red record button now, what happens is it slows everything down. So it kind of like, it's like you're making a movie and it's just doing it very slow. So that's the kind of normal speed that I'd have. So I've just recorded that in slow-mo in normal speed. But when I play it back, you can actually see that everything slows down. See how my finger's going down really slowly? And you can start to see all the things that you wouldn't normally see with normal recording or photos, which is pretty good. I want you to think about some ideas that you might have that could make really great slow-mo videos. Look at it bouncing really slowly. That's pretty cool. You can see all the water and all the little drops. I wonder if we could have a go at bringing in a car and seeing how a car goes when it collides with my water balloon. I wonder how this would look. Did you also know that you can bring these slow... Oh, yeah, it goes pretty slow. So this is how... That's normal speed. I wonder how, when I play it back, how would that look? Oh, yeah, it's much slower. Oh, yeah, big collision. I wonder if in iMovie you could put in some sound effects. Did you know that in iMovie too, after you've done your slow-mo video, you can actually slow it down even more? And I'm going to show you in a minute what happens when you jump into slow-mo with iMovie and slow it down even more. But we've got to put our recording into our booklet. So where it says slow motion, once you hit the plus, find that fantastic slow-mo video that you would like to include and insert that into your booklet, because your booklet is where we're keeping all of our creative work that we've done over the last 5 days. So here it comes again. Let's just see if that works. Yep, it's got my finger one. Yep. That's pretty cool. Now, as I said before, did you know that you can take these videos and put them into iMovie? Oh, by the way, we can also put a little record audio into our booklets to just tell us what you've learnt about it. What did you find? What did you discover? What did you find interesting? That's what we'd like to hear about. But as I was mentioning before, you can also bring your movies into iMovie. Now, I've got a sharp thing here, so ask mum and dads if you're going to pop any of your balloons. But look what happens when you really slow it down. You can actually see all the water still in the shape of a balloon before it goes down. That is super cool. Once again, if you're using anything sharp or anything dangerous, talk to your mums and dads first before you actually do that. Okay, but you can see how much you can slow things down with iMovie and slow motion.